I'm going to show you how to wash windows with these removable mullions. This mullion moves out of the way and there's a little clip right here. So to get it out, you want to dig your fingernails in here and just give a pull like this. Now the entire mullion assembly will just pull right out. A real good cleaner is water with just a little bit of vinegar in it. A cotton sock works really well, so just scrub it all down. It's so much easier with the mullions pulled out. If you didn't know they pulled out, there's a lot more work involved. On the outside of the window, you're going to need to remove the screen. A lot of screens have this little knob that you pull and the screen comes out. You'll be able to do that on both sides. Now the entire screen can be removed. While you're cleaning all the glass, you can also clean up the wood or the plastic. First, you want to brush off all the loose stuff. Wash the inside of the window, the outside of the window. Make sure you get the plastic frames. Sometimes you don't even know how dirty the window is until you start to wash it. You can really see that dirt come off those windows. With a cotton cloth, this is what makes all those streaks go away. Keep polishing it until it's dry. It may take a couple times to get it all cleaned up. You want to polish it with the water on there because if you wait too long and it dries, you'll have streaks. Now you can see a clean window. If there are streaks, you could just repeat the process. Those windows almost look like new. We'll put everything back together. And there's some tips on how to clean windows.